Whoa, you are all up in my personal space. Well, since you're here, let's make some fabric pumpkins for fall. It's all right, stay a while. I'm going to start this DIY off by first using some leftover material from a curtain. I start off by laying the finished side of the fabric face down. Then on each end, I start to roll the fabric inwardly as tight as possible. I tied the ends of the fabric with pipe cleaners because it kept unraveling on me. And so now you see me just making a knot. I'm just going to make a small little knot pillow. Now it's time to make the stem. I chose to use foil and sisal rope. Since this piece is long, I cut it in half so that I could make 2 separate stems. I'm going to unravel some of the sisal rope because it'll make it easier for me to wrap the foil to make the stem. Now I'll just place the stem in the center. You can hot glue it if you want. I got this skirt from the thrift store on 50% off. I think it was only a couple of dollars. I'm going to separate the lining from the skirt. And here you see me adding polyfill to the center of the fabric, the piece that I cut off the skirt. And I'm gathering it up at the corners. And I'm going to wrap twine around it to create a stem. I'm using the same fabric to create this pumpkin. However, I'm using foil for a stem and twine to make grooves for the pumpkin. These are sleeves that I cut from a sweater that I also got for 50% off from the thrift store. You're going to start this one off by turning the sleeve inside out, and then you're just going to start rolling. I cut several pieces of twine so that I can make the little grooves for this pumpkin. I cut off the excess string. I like using foil to make the stems because you can bend and shape the stem however you would like. And then I just hot glued the stem in the center. Here's what they look like arranged. The white one at the bottom center is the only one that I didn't make, but all of the ones in the bowl and all around, even the gold ones, I made myself. I created this pumpkin off camera using the lining from the skirt that I showed you earlier and polyfill. In these next few clips, it's just me using a shirt that I wasn't wearing anymore to create a pillow pumpkin, and using polyfill as the stuffing, and once again using foil and twine to make the stem. I hope this video was useful to you, and as always, have a pleasant, purposeful, and productive day.